So good day everyone, and good day Sir Ryan. I'm Justin James Aron from BSIT 21 and I will be presenting to you our free elective midterm coding exams. Sir Ryan has given us 5 problems to be coded with. We're starting off with problem 1, student quiz performance evaluation. Problem 2, product weekly sales summary. Problem 3, athlete event time analyzer. Problem 4, book review rating collector. And problem 5, store monthly income report. So we start off with problem 1, student quiz performance evaluation. So the problem description is you are tasked to create a simple student quiz analyzer. Write a Java program using OOP where create a class student that contains a field string name, an integer array quiz scores that stores 3 quiz scores. The class must have a constructor that initializes the name and the array of quiz scores, a method compute average that returns the average of the quiz scores, and a method display info that prints the student name, all quiz scores, and the computed average. Lastly, the main class asks the user to input the name and 3 quiz scores, create one subject, student, object, and call display info to show all data. This program evaluates the students' quiz performance using OOP and plain arrays. So, ito yung aking problem on code. So, we start off with import java.util scanner. So, meron tayong class student, public string name, public int quiz scores. So, dito natin ilalagay yung name at yung quiz scores ng student. So, constructor, public student, string name, int quiz scores. Then, this dot name equals name. This dot quiz scores equals int 3. For int I equals 0, I is less than 3, I will iterate itself. So this dot quiz scores I index equals int quiz scores index. So to compute the average, we will have public double compute average, open the parentheses, int sum equals to 0. For int score, colon quiz scores, sum plus equals to score, return sum divided by 3 kasi meron tayong tatlong quiz scores na input mamaya, and divide natin sila by 3. To display the display student info, public void display info, system.out.print in, dito lalabas yung magiging header natin mamaya, which is a student quiz information. Diyan mag-print na display niya sa taas ng kinalabasan ng record, scores natin mamaya, put in name. Ito na sinabi ko, name, system.out.print in name. So dito ilalagay natin mamaya yung input natin mamaya yung magiging name ng student. Sa baba niyan, yung system.out.print yung quiz scores. So dyan tayo mag-input ng quiz. Dyan natin i-input yung quiz scores natin mamaya. For int I equals 0, I is less than the quiz scores that let I will iterate itself. System.out.print quiz scores index. If index is less than the quiz scores that length minus 1, system.out.print, comma. System.out.print and common, open close parenthesis. System.out.print f, format yan, average, modulo 0.2, f, yung modulo and compute average. So, dyan natin i-compute yung average, dyan i-solve or if yun yung magiging formula ng ating average mamaya. So, sa public class, sa student quiz, public static void main string args, scanner sc equals new scanner system.in, system.out.print, dyan, enter student name, dyan natin nalagay yung student, string name equals sc, next line, int scores, new initialize 3, so tatlong quiz scores ang ilalagay na mamaya. For int I equals 0, I is less than 3, I will iterate itself, while true, system.out.print, enter the score for quiz, meaning to say, dyan natin ilalagay score ng quiz natin. At magiging ratio is I plus 1 plus 0 to 100. So magiging ratio niya is 0 to 100. For example, ang ilalagay natin ay negative 1 or more, yun yung magiging, negative 1 is less than 0. Try natin sa kabila, 101. Yung 101 more than 100 siya, di ba? So, magiging FSC has next int S equals SC, next int. If S is less than to 0 and S is greater than 100, ang kinalabasan niyan is system.out.print in, please enter a number between 0 and 100. Kasi ang range natin is 0 to 100 lang. To continue, score I equals S. break else. If else naman, system that out print in, ang kinalabasan niyan, kunyari, maglalagay tayo ng score, pero nilagay natin ay letter, sorry. Ang kinalabasan niyan is invalid, please enter numbers only. And see that next, invalid input. Create student object, student equals new student name, scores, display info, display info, and essay close. So to sum it up, i-run natin siya sa ating terminal. Ayan. Enter student name. Lagay natin yung pangalan ko, Justin. So we enter a score for quiz 1. Lagay natin 95. Quiz 2, 90. Then quiz 3 is 85. So yun. Nakalagay dyan student quiz information. Header, yung magiging header. Name, Justin. Quiz scores 95, 90, 95. At magiging average ng kinupit niya is 90.0. So what if i-validate natin? Try natin maliin kumbaga para maging sure tayo sa code. So ulit. Try natin ang pinito naman. Yogs. So lagyan natin quiz 1. Kunyari, quiz 1 natin 90. Lagyan natin quiz 2. Maliin natin kumbaga. Lagyan natin ng number tas letter. 90. So yan, nagagay, diba? Invalid is enter numbers only. Pero hindi pa rin yan yung quiz 2. Lagyan natin sa lagyan natin number na, 36. Lagyan natin sa quiz 3. Puro letters naman. Yan. So yan, diba? So lagyan tayo invalid is enter numbers only. O, i-validate pa natin. Lagyan natin minus 1, negative 1. Yan, nakalagay. Please enter a number between 0 and 100. So, try natin more than 100 naman, 101. Yan, sabi pa rin tayo, please enter a number between 0 and 100. So, tama pa rin siya. Naging validate pa rin natin yung sagot. 99. So, yan. Na-complete niya, student quiz information yung 90, 96, and 99. At ang average niya, 95. Meaning, ang code natin is tama. So, next problem naman tayo, which is problem 2. Product with sales summary. So, sa problem description naman dito is you are asked to design a simple product sales tracker. Your task is to create a Java program using OOP where create a class product that contains a field string product name, a double array sales that stores 4 weekly sales values, and the class must include a constructor to initialize product name sales array of method total sales that compute the total sales for the 4 weeks, and a method display info that prints the product name each weekly sale and the computed total. In main, input the product name and 4 weekly sales, create one product object, and display the summary. So this program summarizes the monthly performance of a product using plain arrays. So, dito tayo sa pangalawang program. So, import java.util scanner class product public string product name. Public double sales, yan yung 4 weeks of sales natin. So, sa constructor, public product, string product name plus double sales. This product name equals product name, this dot sales, new double 4. Since up 4 weeks siya. So, for if I equals 0, I is less than 4, and I will iterate itself. This is the sales index. So to compute the total sales, we have the public double total sales, double the sum equals 0 for double S colon sales, sum plus equals to S. Then return sum. Display info, display natin info natin, system that print in, ayun, kanina, product with this summary, yun yung magiging header. System that out that print in the product name yan, weekly sales for I equals 0, I is less than the sales that let I iterate itself, system that out that print sales, I says sales minus 1, system that out that print S, good ng comma, good ng kanina lang yan. So, system that out and printf, total monthly sales. So, i-compute na yung average niyan. Yung average yung kukunin niyan dyan. Yan, modulo point 2, F modulo N. So, yan. So, diretso tayo sa public class, which is a product weekly. Public static void main, string args, and scanner SC new scanner system that input the product name, system that out print, enter yung product name, product name SC that next line. So, input yung weekly sales, double the sales, new double 4. For in I equals 0, I is less than to 4, and I will create itself. While true, system that out print enter sales for week I plus 1 plus the colon. If SC has next double the value, SC next double. If value is less than to 0, system that out print in, sales cannot be negative. So, try again. Continue, sales value, it will break. So, if else system that out print invalid, please enter a valid number. So, create the product object, create product equals new product name, sales, display the summary, product display info, and the SC will close. So, titingnan naman natin yung magiging output niyan by the terminal natin. Then, so, we enter our product name, lagyan natin mineral water. Water. Then, lagyan natin ngayon, sales niya for this week, 100. Sales niya for next week, nasa 150. Sales niya for the third week is 200. Pataas ang pataas. Sales for the fourth week, well, gawin natin 300 yan. So, ang naging header niya is product weekly sales summary. The product name is mineral water. Weekly sales is 100, 150, 200, and 300. Total monthly sales, pinag-add niya, 100 plus 150 plus 200 plus 300, 300 plus 200 is 500, 500 plus 150, 650, 650 plus 100 is 750. So, yung nakuha niya, total monthly sales is 750. So, tatry natin i-validate naman to. So, isa-isa pa natin to. Para maging sure tayo, i-validate natin siya. Oh, okay. Product name, water na lang. Try natin i-enter, try natin mag-negative, kumbaga. Yan. Sales cannot be negative. Try again. Try naman natin maglagay ng letter. Tubig. Yan. Invalid siya, di ba? Kasi please enter valid number. Number kailangan natin doon. So, gagawin na natin yun. 200 plus water. Alright, tama siya. Valid kasi letter yon. Gawin natin 650. 250. Then 100. So yan, in-add niya. Product week sales summary. Water 200, 650, 250, and 100. And total siya ng 1,200. So tama ang ating problem 2 code. Next naman tayo sa product 3. Problem 3 rather. Problem 3 is the ATIT event time analyzer. So the problem description, design a Java OP program that evaluates an athlete's performance in multiple events. Create a class athlete containing field string athlete name, a double array times that stores 5 event times in seconds. The class must have a constructor set the athlete name and times, a method best time that returns the lowest fastest time, and the method display info that prints all event times in the fastest one. In the main class, input the athlete name and 5 event times and create one athlete object and display all data. This program analyzes performance by determining the fastest event time. So, ang goal naman ng code na to is malaman yung pinakamabilis na oras o pinaka-shortest time rather. And import java.util scanner class athlete public string athlete name public double times public athlete string athlete name double the times this dot athlete name equals the athlete name this times new double 5. So 5 times siya. 5 times na mag-i-input ng mag-i-input ng natin time for in seconds. For in I equals 0, I is less than to 5 and I will turn itself this dot times index times the index. So public double best time double best equals times 0. For in I equals 1, I is less than 2 times that let I will iterate itself. If times is index less than the best, best is equals to times index. So, i-return yung best. Sa public void, display info, may header ulit tayo, system.out.println, athlete information, system.out.println, athlete name, yung pangalan ng athlete, system.out.print, event times, yung magiging oras niya sa event niya. For double time times, system.out.print, time plus yung uh, uh, quotation marks. System.out.print in open close parenthesis, system.out.print, and fastest time, yung fastest time, yung pinakamabilis na oras sa 5 oras na input natin, yung plus best time. Public class analyzer, yun yung pangalan ng ano natin, na file natin, public static void main string args, scanner equals new scanner system.in, string athlete name, while true, system.out.print, enter the athlete name, dyan tayo mag-enter na pangalan ng athlete natin, athlete name, scanner.next line dot trim if the athlete name dot length is equals to 0, system.out.println, please input the name. I don't accept no name. So dito mag-a-accept hanggat walang pangalan tayo ma-input mamaya. If else, break. Double times equals new double 5, system.out.println, if enter 5 event times in seconds. For int I equals 0, I is 5, I will iterate itself, double the value, while true, system.out.print, event plus 1, I plus 1, plus colon, if scanner that has next double, value equals the scanner, that next double, open close parenthesis, if value greater than equals 0 times index equals value, and break, else system.out.print in, time cannot be negative. So, hindi pwede maging negative yung ilalagay natin na input ng time mamaya. Else, system.out.print, invalid, please enter numbers only. Di tayo pwede maglagay ng number kasi, ng letter, sorry, kasi numbers ang hinihingi natin sa time. Scanner next, athlete equals new athlete name times athlete dot display info, and the scanner dot close. So, irarun naman natin siya sa terminal natin, yung problem 3, which is yung ating time analyzer. So, here we go. Hintayin lang natin terminal natin na mag-run. Then, enter athlete name. Pinakasikat na tao sa buong mundo pagdating sa pabilisan, si Usain Bolt. Lagyan natin 5 event times in seconds. Lagyan natin mga mga naging oras sa mga pagdating niya sa Olympics, lari. 12 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, and 50 seconds. So yan. Nindiran natin, ang nakalagay sa header, athlete information, athlete name, Usain Bolt, event times 12, 20, 30, 40, 50 seconds respectively. And ang fastest time na nakuha natin sa limang input na nilagay natin is 12 seconds. So, tatry natin i-validate ulit to. Lagyan natin ulit siya, si Usain Bolt. Try natin maglagay ng negative number. Kung nga negative 12. Ayan, time cannot be negative. Lagyan ulit tayo ng letter. Invalid kasi please enter numbers only. So, susundin lang natin 12, 30, 60, 18 seconds and 15 seconds. So, yan, at information, at it time Usain Bolt, event times 12, 30, 60, 18, 15 seconds, respectively, and ang fastest time nakuha natin is 12 seconds. So, tama naging code natin para sa problem number 3. So, para sa problem number 4 naman natin, ito naman ang tinatawag nating problem 4 is Book review rating collector. So, ang problem description nito is create a Java program to collect and evaluate ratings for a book. Create a class book with field string title, an integer array ratings containing 4 user ratings 1 to 5 stars. So this class must have a constructor, a method average rating to compute the average rating, and a method display info to print all ratings and the average. In main, input the book title and 4 ratings, create one book object, and display the summary. This program helps determine the overall reception of a book. So dito, ang ratings ng book naman ang kunin natin. Oh, let us proceed. Import java.util.scanner class book public string title public int ratings. So public books string title int ratings this dot title equals the title this dot ratings new int 4 system array copy ratings these ratings and ang public double naman niya is average rating int sum equals to 0 for int r is ratings sum plus equals to r. Ang return sum maging divided by 4. So, the public void display info, system.out.printin, ang magiging header natin dyan is ang book information. System.out.printin, ang kilabasan is book title plus the title itself. System.out.print, ang book ratings naman niya for in I equals 0, I is less than 2 ratings.length, I will iterate itself. And the system.out.print in the ratings I, if I is less than 2 ratings.length minus 1, system.out.print, and yung comma niya. System.out.print, open and close parentheses, and system.out.print f. Average rating niya, modulo 0.2 f back divide by n, and average rating niya. Doon yung kunin yung average natin. So, sa class booking, public static void main string args, the scanner equals new scanner, system.in string title while true, system.out.print, enter a book title. So, ang title natin is equals to scanner.next line dot trim. If ang title natin dot length is open close parenthesis equals to 0, system.out.print in invalid, please put a book title to valid. So, if else break, so, ang int ratings natin equals to new int 4. System.out.print in enter 4 ratings. At ang 4 ratings is sa pagitan lang ng 1 to 5 stars. So, for int I equals to 0, I is less than to 4, I iterate itself. While true, system.out.print rating plus I plus 1 plus colon. If the scanner has next int R equals scanner.next int. If R greater than equals to 1, n R less than 2 equals to 5, ratings at index R, break else, system.out.print in, ratings must be between 1 to 5 stars. So, hindi natin pwede palagpasin, hindi tayo pwede lumagpas sa 1 to 5 na ratings or stars. If else, system.out.print invalid enter a number between 1 to 5. Kung na sinabi ko. Sa pagitan ng 1 to 5 ang i-rate natin dyan. Ayan. So, book equals to new book, title ratings, book display info. Yan. So, iralan na natin siya. So, enter tayo ng pangalan ng book title natin, which is and book about life. Let's say mag-rate tayo na iba't iba. Kunyari, nag-rate ng 1, may nag-rate ng 2, may nag-rate ng 3, nag-rate ng 4. So, yan, book information, book title, book about life. Yun yung book title. Yung book rating sa atin is 1, 2, 3, 4. And nakuha siya ng average rating which is 2.50. So, tatry naman natin i-validate yun. Wait lang natin ang terminal. And, wait natin book about life. Wait tayo ng negative 1. Yan. Ratings must between 1 to 5 stars. Rate tayo ng 6. Yun ulit. Ratings must be between 1 to 5 stars. Rate tayo ng letter. game. Yan, invalid kasi enter a number between 1 to 5 stars. So, ulitin natin yun. So, 5, 4, 3, 2. And ang makuha niya, book about life, book title, book rating is 5432. And ang average rating niya is 3.50. So, tama ang naging code natin para sa problem number 4. So, last but not the least, yung problem number 5 naman natin, which is ang store monthly income report. So, problem description, create a Java OOP program that generates a summary of a store's earnings. So, create a class store with field string store name, a double array income storing 6 months of income, include the constructor, method total income to compute the total income, and method display info to show each month's income and the total. So, in main, input store name and 6 income values. So, create one store object and display the generated report. This program summarizes financial performance over half a year. So, yan. So, ito yung code natin sa problem 5. Import java.util scanner plus store public string store name public double income. A public store string store name double income. This dot store name equals the store name. This dot income equals the new double 6 months. Ibig sabihin nun. System array copy income this dot income. So, public double total income double sum equals 0 for double ink equals to income, sum plus equals to ink. Return sum, public void display info, system.out.println ang store information maging header natin. System.out.println ang store name, ayun, asa na yun? And store name plus store name. System.out.println months income. For in I equals 0, I is less than 2, income.length. I will iterate itself, system.out.print income I plus yun, system.out.println open to close parenthesis, and system.out.printf monthly income is modulo 2.2 f modulo n. Total income. So sa class storing, public static void main string args, scanner equals new scanner system.in string name while true, system.out.print enter a store name. So name equals scanner, next line trim. If the name length is less than equal to 0, system.out.print invalid, I do not accept no store name. So hindi siya mag-accept pag walang pangalan yung store natin. So if else break, so double incomes equals new double 6. System.out.print enter an income for 6 months. So for in I equals 0, I is less than to 6, I would clear itself while true, system.out.print month plus y plus 1 plus the colon. If scanner has next double ink equals scanner that next double income I equals ink break else system.out.print invalid, please try again. So scanner that next store equals new store name incomes store display.info. So yun natapos natin yung sa code, then irarun naman natin siya. So, let's wait sa terminal natin. So, ano magiging kalabasan niya. So, enter tayo yung score natin. Nari, Dali. Enter tayo yung income niya for 6 months. So, 6 na ulit yan. So, lagay natin. Nari, 1,000. Next month, 2,000. Next, 3,000 naman sa third. Fourth month, 5K sa fifth, and sa 6K. So, nakuha natin store information, ang store name niya, Dali. Ang month's income niya is 1,000, 2,000, 3, 4, 5, and 6K. So, ang monthly income niya, pag-ilad natin lahat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000. Ipapag-plus natin lahat yan, ang makuha natin ay 21,000. So, try natin i-validate ulit. Naglalagay naman tayo ng bagong name of store. Wait lang natin. Ayan, Alphamart. So, income niya for 6 months. Try natin mag-negative. Negative 1K. 1K. Wala rin, nalugi siya. Yun. Negative 1,000. So, try natin Try. O yan, invalid. Please try again. So, kailangan number. So, 950. Next, 350. 4, and next is 2K. Then 6 will be 5K. So, nauna natin store information. Ang store name is Alphamart. Month's income niya is negative 1,000, nalugi. 950, 350, 1,000, 2,000, and 5,000. Ang monthly income na nakuha natin is 8,300. So, naging tama ang naging code natin para sa problem 5. To sum this up, ito nakuha natin mga codes, ito yung mga problems natin, ito yung mga nakuha natin codes. So, muli ako po si Justin James from BSIT 21 at ito po ang aking answer at naging midterm exam po para sa ating free elective midterm coding exam. Thank you, sir.